Hey, what's up everybody? It's Isaac Ramirez. Just wanted to come to you with another quick tip about how to turn your dumb home into a smart home. Product number one, the Ring. This is a great feature. It pretty much changes your conventional doorbell to a new smart doorbell with a security camera installed. They also have a floodlight option, but right now I'm just going to talk about the doorbell. Very simple to install. Simply just put two wires, connect it to your current device, doorbell device, and simply watch your new security system become live. Features in the Ring doorbell that I like the most, it allows me to, number one, check who's at my door when they ring the doorbell. It's always fun to see those kids that like to run door to door pressing doorbells, and I get to scare them because it allows me to have a two-way radio. Or with the UPS delivery man who's delivering a package, by ringing the doorbell, I'm able to see exactly what he's dropping off and communicate with him whether he should put it a little to the right or a little to the left. If they don't ring the doorbell, the cool thing with this product is it also has motion alerts. So if somebody gets too close, I'm able to get alerted on my phone or iPad and pretty much find out what's going on. So it's a really cool security device that you can use on your door, and I recommend everybody to get one. You can even purchase them at Best Buy or any Walmart. It's a great tool to have. The Ring also cooperates with Google Home and Alexa, just in case you like to have all those things in one. Great way to turn your home smart. Oh, another great feature with the Ring is you can actually connect it to your keyless door entry, which I use personally. It's called Yale. And if, let's say, if a friend or a family member comes to the house and I want to let them through, all I do is make sure it is them on the phone app, make sure I speak to them in the camera, and I simply tell them, hey, look, I'm unlocking the door, and I can let them right into the house, especially if I'm not there. For those of you that are friends of mine, don't expect me to do that anytime soon, okay? Unless you got barbecue, then you can come in. Product number two, the Rachio Smart Irrigation System. I love this product. Recently, just had a pool installed in our house, and I witnessed them destroy every watering irrigation pipe I had and every sprinkler valve in the backyard. Had to get a few quotes from a few different companies to repipe all the lining, and realized very quickly after them updating it, certain areas of my yard were flooded more than others. And come to think, a few of the wires got crossed with respect to the bushes getting just as much watering time as the grass. I mean, it was a mess. Well, somebody introduced me to the Rachio, and ever since then, I've been super excited. Why? Because all I had to do was plug in the new Rachio, follow the directions on the wiring that I had in the old school system, and now I can control watering zones from my phone. System was pretty inexpensive and very simple to install. I love the product because I could water on the days and times that I want, and the whole task of just turning the dial and guessing which sprinkler goes to what is eliminated. I do it all from my phone now, and it's pretty cool to use. I mean, my neighbor came over and he was blown away how I was able to control all the watering from my phone. I'm no genius or rocket science, and for those of you that know me well, I don't mess with tools. It's just not something I do. I literally just avoid it at all costs. Not with this system. I love it. It's helped me update my house, and now considerably, I kind of have a smart home. It's not dumb anymore. So cool product to check it out. Click the link and let me know what you guys think, and I recommend you guys get it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Anything involving real estate, your home, I'm gonna do my best and provide you guys with updates and details, how to make sure that you guys secure your investment. Unfortunately, I don't do home decor or decorating ideas. Maybe that might be something I'll do in the future, but hey, my goal is to make sure you get every dollar back on your house and then some, okay? Thanks for tuning in.